Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix ctfmon.exe not starting automatically on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if in your laptop and desktop ctfmon.exe not starting automatically, then I will show you how to fix this issue. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to just open the regedit. For that you have to just click on this start menu, then type here regedit. Click on this registry editor, click on yes. In this you can see HKey local machine, double click and expand. After that you will find software, double click and expand the software. After that you need to find Microsoft, double click and expand the Microsoft. After that you need to find Windows. You have to just scroll down. You can see here Windows. Double click and expand. After that you need to find current version. You can see current version. Double click and expand. After that you need to find run. You can see run folder. Just you have to single click on that. After that, come to the right side, right click on that, click on new and click on string value. You have to just rename it as ctfmon. You have to just type as ctfmon. Right click on that, click on modify. Now open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. In this you need to find system32 folder. You can see system32. After that you need to find ctfmon. You have to scroll down. You can see ctfmon. What you have to do, just you have to right click on that. You can see here copy as path. Just click on that, open that registered file, right click here and click on paste. You can see double comma which is pasted with that. You have to just delete that from starting and to the end. You have to just delete that commas, then click on OK and close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix ctfmon not starting automatically on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.